Hey, it's Barry, and today I want to show you how to find the largest prime factor of the expression 3 raised to the power of 8 minus 1. So let's take a look. So this is quite a big expression because we are multiplying 3 by 8 times, and then we are taking 1 away from that. Now, obviously, we can use a calculator, we can use ChatGPT, or we can use any software, but there is a clean way we can find out the answer. So we can use the formula of the difference of two squares, which tells us that we have x squared minus y squared. That is equivalent to x plus y multiplied by x minus y. Okay, so this is the formula that we will use today. So let's apply it to our question. So we have 3 raised to the power of 8 minus 1, right? But we can rewrite that as 3 raised to the power of 4 squared minus 1 squared. Now, 1 squared is just 1 times 1, which is just 1. So, and for the first part here, that's just index laws. Okay, we just multiply the 2. So 2 times 4, that is 8. So let's apply that formula. So in this case, our x is 3 raised to the power of 4, and our y is just 1. Okay, so 3, 4 minus 1. Okay, so far pretty good. Let me drag it across. Now then, I want to focus on the other part of 3 raised to the 4 minus 1, okay? So 4 is the same as 2 times 2, so we can write this as 3, 4 plus 1 multiplied by 3 squared, and then the whole thing squared, minus 1 squared. You notice how, once again, we have a difference of 2 squares. In this case, our x is 3 squared, and then our y is 1. So we do the same thing again. So 3, 4 plus 1. Then here we have 3 squared plus 1, and then 3 squared minus 1. And then once again here, 1 is just 1 squared really. So we also have our last difference of 2 squares. In this case, the x is the number 3 and the y is the number 1. So we have 3, 4 plus 1, 3 squared plus 1, and then 3 plus 1 and 3 minus 1. So we have broken down our expression 3 to the 8 minus 1 into a product of 4 numbers. So let's find out what those 4 numbers are. Okay, so 3 to the 4 plus 1, so I'm thinking that is 9 times 9 plus 1, I believe. So that is 81 plus 1, so 82. So we have 82, and then 3 squared plus 1, that's 9 plus 1, so that is just 10. And then we have 4, and then we have 2. Now, not all of these numbers are prime numbers, so we want to further simplify them. So 82, that is 2 times 41, okay? And then 10, we can write it as 2 times 5. 4 is 2 times 2, and then we have the 2 in the back. So let's tidy it up. So we have some 2's, and we have 5 of them. So 2 raised to the power of 5, because we have 5 of them, multiplied by 5, and then multiplied by 41. Now notice here, This is what is known as prime factorization, because we have all these prime numbers, meaning its only factors are 1 and itself. We cannot further break them down. There's no other factors. And the question is the biggest prime factor. Well, we have found it here. It is just 41. So that's it for this question. I hope you learned something new. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.